Autodesk Design Review 2011 is a free piece of software from Autodesk. It can be downloaded at www.autodesk.com/DWF. Now let's have a look at Design Review and how it works with the DWF files that you've already plotted, perhaps using AutoCAD 2011. When you first load up Autodesk Design Review and run the software, you get this screen here. You'll notice the layout is very similar to AutoCAD. You've got a ribbon with tabs at the top of the screen. So you've got Home, Markup and Measure and Tools. You've also got a Quick Access toolbar, and you'll notice an application menu in exactly the same way as AutoCAD. It all works, same format, so that you can remember. However, it's a nice easy layout for a new user to use as well. You don't have to have AutoCAD on your system to run Design Review. All you need are the DWF files that need to be viewed. Now, if I go to Open here, I can open up a DWF that I've already created. So I've got there 1805 Design Review 2011 DWF. I'll click on Open there, and that opens up my DWF file. Now I'm going to go to the Markup and Measure tab on the ribbon. Now you'll notice here I can zoom in and out using the wheel. I can pan as well. So there's the wheel. Can you see? It all works just like AutoCAD does. Now I'm actually going to pan, and then I'm going to zoom in on my entrance here like so. And I'm just going to mark up this DWF, which I can then save and view in AutoCAD using the Markup Manager. Now let's have a look at this and just think about this for a moment. I need a call out, and I need a rectangular call out there with a rectangle cloud. So I click there, and if I just click and drag, there's my cloud going around the entrance. When I release the mouse button, there's my rectangular call out there. So I just click, and I can type in there, check dimensions. For example, let's say on site, like so. Now when I come back into the area here and click, you'll see there that that markup you can see is all there in the list on the left. And it's all ready and done. If I just hit escape there just to deselect it, that's on the drawing. Now what I do now is I save my DWF so that I can look at that now in AutoCAD and update those revisions that are on the drawing. It's very clever stuff. So what we'll do now is we'll go back into AutoCAD and look at that revision on the DWF in AutoCAD itself. In the previous part of this exercise, we utilised Autodesk Design Review to mark up a DWF file. Now I'm back in AutoCAD now with just a blank Drawing 1 metric drawing open. There's nothing on the drawing. I've gone to the View tab here, and in the Palettes panel right here, can you see this icon here with what looks like a revision cloud? It's called the Markup Set Manager. If I click on that, you'll see that my DWF is already there in the listing. Now, if I just click here and go to Open, I can go and look for that DWF. There it is there, 1805 Design Review 2011. So if I select that and open that, that's what I'll get on the screen. Now it's telling me that it's already open. So would I like to open a read-only copy? No, I wouldn't, because it's already there. But as you can see, look, there's a Layout tab symbol there. If I click on the plus sign there, check dimensions on site, there's that markup that I created in Design Review. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to open up that file by double-clicking on the Layout tab there. Now, as you can see, look, there's the drawing. It's actually physically opened up that drawing, and as you can see, look, there's the redlining markup that I put on there. If I click on the plus sign here now, and what I can do is select Check Dimensions on Site, if I go to the markup status there and mark that up as done, click on there, notice when I click in the drawing now and close the Markup Set Manager, those markups disappear because I've told AutoCAD that they're done. What I would do now is save the drawing, plot it out to a DWF again, and then redline and markup again using Design Review. Clever stuff. It builds up an audit trail, and it allows a non-AutoCAD user to use something like Design Review and mark up your drawings without being a guru at AutoCAD. All they're doing is marking up the drawings so that you can then do those edits and revise the drawings for that person that is using Autodesk Design Review.